There's a job here I done here with the pavers coming around with a nice circle effect coming off the top as it walk in the area. Then we done the apron down on the bottom of the asphalt coming around both sides with the edges coming down with a slight taper on the edge. We also done this patio area on the top up here beside the house, which just comes along and then it meets into the walkway, and then the walkway and meets into the apron. We'll stand back from here and we'll stand back from here and we can take a whole video look of the whole job, the way it is done, the way it has been laid. So you can see it. And then also I have Larry here behind me, which he's seen the work from start to finish.
Terrific job.
How do you like everything, Larry?
Well, just like you said, it looks beautiful, made a tremendous difference in the way the house looks. Great presentation.
That there is very good. And the workmanship that was involved with it, Larry?
Top shelf.
Top shelf. That's all we need to know. But thanks very much, Larry. I'll shake your hand.